Hey, it's Andrew with ServerMania. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Java KVM. So in Surge, if you go under Device Manager, click on View Devices, and then find a dedicated server. For this instance here, we're going to work with this 1240. So inside our Device Manager, other than the bandwidth graphs and IP assignments, you have the ability to launch your KVM console. Now, if this doesn't launch initially, click on Reset BMC, wait 2 minutes, and try again. I'm going to click on Launch Console. Now, your browser may prompt you to save this file as it may be, quote-unquote, harmless. It is harmless. So click on Keep. Go ahead and open up the file. Click on Run. Give it a few seconds. And if for some reason you're locked out of your machine or can't log into it through SSH or remote desktop or whatever remote program you use to log in, you'll have direct console access to your machine. You can also go to virtual media, virtual storage, and mount an ISO, restart the server, and reinstall the operating system if you wish from your end. If you'd like to see more guides like this, visit servermania.com and click on Knowledge Base.